ma'am. Good morning po. So today po ay magkakandak ako ng home visit po at bag testing. So first procedure. Upon arriving at the client's house, place the bag on the table or any flat surface lined with paper lining and clean side out folded part touching the table. Put the bag's handle or strip beneath the bag. Next, ask for a basin of water or a glass of water if faucet is not available. Place these outside the working area. So, ma'am, yung may faucet po ba kayo dito? If wala po, pwede po ako makihiram po ng basin and a glass of water po. Okay po, ma'am. Thank you. The next, open the bag, take the linen, plastic lining, and spread over work field or area. The clean side out, folded part out. And next procedure, take out hand towel, soap dish, and apron, and place them at one corner of the work area within the confines of the linen or plastic lining. Then next, do hand washing. Wipe, dry with towel. Leave the plastic wrapper or the towel in the soap dish in a bag. Then put an apron, right side out and wrong side out with crease touching the body. Sliding it to the neck straps. Neatly tie the strap at the back. Then, next, put out things most needed for the specific case. First is the thermometer, kidney basin, waste paper bag, and place at one corner of the work area. Then, next, place waste paper bag outside of the work area. Then, next, close the bag. Then, number 10, proceed into the specific nursing care or treatment. And next is urine urine test or albumin. So the first procedure is cleanse and assembles all articles or equipment needed. And next, number 2, prepare 3 or more cotton balls with alcohol or alcohol lamp. Number 3, fills the test tube 2/3 of urine. Note, urine specimen should have been collected early in the morning before breakfast. Then number 4, hits the upper portion only of the test tube with urine without shaking. Compares the heated to the unheated portion or changes. And number 5 procedure, read and interprets result correctly. Number 5. If there is no changes on the heated portion, the result is negative. Acetic acid is not added. Then B. If cloudness appear, then B1, add 5 drops of acetic acid to the urine. Then next is B2, hits again to rule out presence of phosphates. Note, if cloudness disappears, result will be negative, and if it persists, is spread addition of acetic acid of or even depends the result ay positive. Then next is number 6. Discard things approximately. Then number 7, explain correctly and comprehensively to the clients or caregiver the result and interpretation of the test. Next is the urine test for sugar. So first procedure, measure 5 ml Benedict's solution in medicine glass. Then second procedure, holding the test tube with the holder, hit it over a spirit lamp. Till the Benedict solution boils without overflowing. Next, number 3, drop 8 to 10 drops of urine into the boiling Benedict solution. Then number 4 procedure, after again boiling the mixture, let it cool down. Then number 5, while cooling the mixture, change color. Then number 6, the color of the mixture serve as a guide to the amount of sugar in the urine. So number 7, read and interpret the result. So first is A, blue sugar means absent. Um, B, green means 0.5% of sugar. C, yellow, 1% sugar. And D is orange, 1.5% of sugar. And lastly is bright red, 2% of sugar. Then next is number 8. Number 8, discard things used appropriately. Then number 9, explain correctly and explain correctly and comprehensively to the client or caregiver the result and result and interpretation of the test. Next is number 10. After completing nursing care or treatment, clean the things used. Clean and alcoholize the things used. Then number 11, do hand washing again. Then next is number 12. Open the bag and put back all all articles in their proper places. Then next is number 13. Remove apron, folding away from the body with soiled side folded upwards and inside out, and place it in the bag. Next is fold the linen. Or plastic lining. Clean, place it in the bag and close the bag. Next is make a post-visit conference on matters relevant to healthcare, taking anecdotal preparatory to final reporting. Then number 16, make appointment for the next visit, either home or clinic, taking note of the purpose. Next procedure, cease to eat that the waste receptacle and its content are properly disposed of before leaving the home. Then next, maintains body mechanism throughout the procedure. And next, manifest neatness of the performed procedure. Then, next is provide and ensure patient privacy throughout the procedure. Then, next is observe courtesy. Then, next is show calmness while performing the procedure. And next is show calmness. Next, deficit mastery of procedure. And lastly, use correct grammar. Use correct grammar and syntax. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you po.